Hi, and welcome to video number 4 in Family of Functions. This video segment is going to talk about function notation and evaluating functions for a specified value. Function notation looks like this: f parenthesis x parenthesis, and it is read f of x is exactly how you read f parenthesis x parenthesis, f of x. This does not mean whoop, that f is times x. Does not mean that. And I know typically when we write two variables next to one another, that's exactly what it means, but not when we're using function notation. F of x is just the name of the function. So f is the name of my function, and x is the variable in the function, or our input value. So f of x, not f times x. So when we're given a value, what we're going to do is we're going to substitute that value for the variable. And then we're simply going to follow order of operations, just like we did in our Algebra 1 review. Nothing's different. We're given a value, we substitute that in for the variable or the letter, and then follow order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, parenthesis, exponent, multiply or divide left to right, then add or subtract left to right. Let's look at an example. It says to find f of 6 for f of x equals x plus 9.5. So my first step is to simply rewrite the function with open parentheses. So all I did was everywhere I have f of something, I just put an open parenthesis there. Next, we're just going to drop the given value, in this case 6, into my open parentheses. We're replacing the letters, variables, with that given value. And lastly, we follow our order of operations. In this case, it's a very simple problem. We need to just add 6 plus 9.5, and we have a sum of 15.5. So our ordered pair is going to be 6 and then 15.5. So we always have our x, our input, followed by our output, or the value of the function f, once we have used order of operations. We'll do one more example together, and then I'll have you do one on your own and check your work. Looking at example 7, it says to find f of 2 for f of x equals negative x squared plus 1. So step 1 is simply rewrite my function f of, with open parentheses, equals minus. So I just write that function down with open parentheses. Next, I'm going to drop my value, my given value, in this case 2, into that open parenthesis on both sides of the equation. The f of 2 simply follows down. Now I'm going to use order of operations on the right side of that equation, remembering my rule for exponents. If the negative is not inside the parenthesis, it is not affected by the exponent. So that's minus still hangs out there. 2 squared is 4 plus 1. Next, I'm going to have f of 2 equals, please excuse my dear, don't have any multiplication or division. I'm left with Aunt Sally, so I'm going to add or subtract. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So my ordered pair is going to be 2, negative 3. At this time, please pause the video and try example 8, and then when you're ready and you want to check your answer, start the video again and we'll see how you did. See you in a couple minutes. Okay, let's see how you did. First step, write the function down, leave open parentheses wherever there is a variable. Next, drop the given value, in this case 2, into those open parentheses. And lastly, we're going to follow our order of operations. So I'm going to have g of 2 equals, and remember, when we have fractions, we treat the numerator and the denominator separately. So I'm going to have 9 in my numerator, nothing to do there, and then 1 minus 2. So g of 2 equals 9 divided by negative 1 is negative 9. My ordered pair is 2, negative 9. Hope you did well on that. If not, you can always go back and watch the video a little bit more and bring your questions to class next time we meet. For now, please complete the guided practice on this note-taking guide. There are only 4 problems, and then complete the online self-check and bring those results with you to class next time we meet. Hope you did well. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.